Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video, we'll be looking at aim 3 of Surds. First, we'll be having a quick intro of the aim and then we'll slowly move on to the challenger questions and we'll be perfect with the aim. And yeah, so let's begin. With the introduction. See, aim 3 is all about multiplication and division of surds. Okay, so first, when I am given two surds, one is nth root of a and other one is nth root of b. Now, also when there is a condition that b is not equal to 0, how do I multiply? How do I divide? Is the question. This is what is all about the aim. Okay, in the aim we are going to discuss only about this. Very simple it is going to be. Fine, so I'll tell you how we are going to multiply. First, multiplication, as you know, we are just going to into, right? So nth root of a multiplied by nth root of b. How do you multiply? How can you multiply? When the orders are same, then only we can multiply, as I have already told you this multiple times, right? So now you can multiply in this way: nth root of a into b. When the order is same, the radicants can be multiplied. So I hope multiplication part is clear to you. Now we'll move on to the division part. How do we divide? Now when we have nth root of a divided by nth root of b, here when b is not equal to 0, when b is not equal to 0 and there is the same order n, then both the radicants can be multiplied by putting the root for the whole. Okay, so nth root of a by b will be the division form. Now there are multiple examples for us, but if we go and discuss all that, it will take time, right? Instead of that, I'll just do challenges so that it will be easy. Anyways, it's the same thing, right? So let's move on to challenger bits. Now first question in challengers: divide fifth root of 24 with fifth root of 6. Now here order first, you will note order is 5. So there is no problem because for both the order is same, numerator as well as the denominator. So now what we are going to do, take that whole root and 24 by 6. Now you can divide this inside part, whatever is there, right? So let me divide them. Now 6 ones and 6 fours. Now fifth root of 4 is the final answer. Clear? That's it. Now second question is simplify. So here in this question we have to simplify the given two questions. Okay. Now first one is about multiplication, second one is about division. Okay. First question we will see. Second root of 2 multiplied by cubed root of 3 multiplied by fourth root of 4. Now when we have to simplify such kind of questions, I have already instructed that orders must be the same. The orders whatever are there, it must be the same. But here, do you find the order as same? No. Here it is 2, here it is 3 and here it is 4. The orders, right? But when I told you that when you wanted to multiply or divide, the order must be same. Now how do we make these orders the same? We are going to find out the LCM of these orders. LCM of 2, 3, 4. So for these 3, we are going to find out LCM. Now what is the LCM? How do? You know all this, right? So when you do in such a way, the LCM for this is going to be 12. So LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. Now what we are going to do? Now here it is 2, right? We have to make it 12 because the LCM is 12. If at all we can make everything the same, then we can multiply. So when we are going to make everything 12 here, then obviously we can multiply, right? Very simple. Now inside, just draw that root and keep it ready. Okay, I'll tell you very clearly. First, here we have 2. Keep that 2 like that only. Clear? That is okay. Now 12 is there. 2 into 6 is 12, right? Now inside was 2, right? Now you are going to keep a power of 6. because this sixth root and sixth power can get cancelled. So when you are multiplying something to the radicand, that has to be kept to the power of radicand. Okay, when it is multiplied to order, it has to be multiplied, it has to be put to the power of radicand. Now that is clear to you, right? Same thing we are going to do to the next part also. Here it is cube. Now 3 fours is 12, right, as you know. Now 3 into 4 and again 3 power 4 we are going to keep it. Next, multiplied by 4 into 3 is 12 inside the root and 4 to the power 3. Now that is also clear to you. Now 6 2s is 12, 12th root of 2 power 6 multiplied by 12th root of 3 power 4 multiplied by 12th root of 4 power 3. Now I'll just neatly write this. So until here we have discussed, right? Now what we are going to do, just put this root for the end, all terms. 2 power 6 multiplied by 3 power 4 multiplied by 4 power 3. Now until here it is okay, we can understand. Yeah. Now 4 cube, it can be written as 2 4 can be written as 2 square and that 3 power is already there. So what is this? 2 power 6, right? 2 3 is 6. So it is 2 power 6. So 4 cube is nothing but 2 power 6. Now we are going to put that here. That's why I am explaining that. Okay. So what we are going to substitute instead of 4 cube? 2 power 6. Fine. Now 2 power 6, 2 power 6, when it is 2 times, you can just add up, right? A power m multiplied by a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 2 power 6 multiplied by 2 power 6 is nothing but 2 power 6 plus 6, which is nothing but 2 power 12. Now in the next step, we are going to write it as 2 power 12 multiplied by is equal to 12th root of 2 power 12 multiplied by 3 power 4. Now this is also clear to you, right? Now separately I am going to write this one separately. 12th root of 2 power 12 multiplied by 12th root of 3 power 4. Now this 12th square, 12th power and 12th root will get cancelled, right? Okay. Now this one you can't do anything, you have to let it be like that only. So 2 multiplied by 3 power 4 can be simplified, right? We can get the value, it is 81. So 2 multiplied by 12th root over 81 is the answer, simplified answer for this. Okay. Now second part of the second question, square root of 24 divided by cube root of 1728. Now first step, same thing, LCM you have to find for 2 and 3. Here where nothing is there, you can just take it as 2. Now 2 and 3 LCM is 6, as you know already. Now see, this time I am not going to give a very lengthy explanation because there are really many steps we have to do. So 2 into 3 to the power 24 is there. Now 2 3 is 6, right? That's why I multiplied 3 here. Now here power will be also 3. This one already I explained, right? Now for this one, 3 2s is 6, right? So same thing. We are going to multiply 2 to the given 3 and 1728 square. Right? Now this step we are going to write it. Now directly 2 3 is 6 I am going to write. Okay? That's what I am telling you. Now until here it is clear, right? Now 1728, this is nothing but actually 12 cube. Okay, so now I am going to write it as 12 cube. 1 second. Yes. So 6th root of 24 cube, 24 cube divided by 6th root of 12 cube whole square. Now this is clear to you, right? Now what we are going to do is, now this 3 multiplied by 2 you have to do here, right? Which is nothing but 6. So 6th root of 24 cube divided by 6th root of 12 root 6. Now this we all know. Right, now you can take that root totally, right? Yes. So 24 cube divided by 12 power 6. That is also okay. Now 6th root of 24 cube divided by, now 12 power 6, I can write it as 12 power 3 multiplied by 12 power 3. Yes, right, because a power m into a power n is equal to a power m in m plus n. So now 3 plus 3 is 6 only, right? So I can write it, right? So I'm going to write 12 cube multiplied by 12 cube. Now that is okay to you, right? Fine. Now 6 root of 24 divided by 12 whole cube multiplied by 1 by 12 cube. I have just taken these two common. The cubes I have taken common because 12 ones and 12 twos, right? You can get some, so you can simplify further. That's why I have taken in such a way here too. Okay. Now 6th root of 2 cube multiplied by 1 by 12 cube. Now I will erase and write again. Now here we stopped, right? 6th root of 2 cube multiplied by 1 by 12 cube. Now here you can see the powers, right? It's cube and cube and cube. Now we are going to simplify the power here, like the root. Now 6 can be written as 2 into 3, right? Now 2 into 3 to the root of 2 cube multiplied by 1 by 12 cube. Okay, now what is going to happen? This 3 and 3 can be cancelled, but you can't simply cancel, right? 2 into 3 separately you have to cancel. 2 cube multiplied by 2 into 3 for the 1 by 12 cube. Now you can cancel out the cube root and cube. Now what is left out? Second root of 2 multiplied by second root of 1 by 12. Now here when you can multiply, right? Now because the orders are same, you can multiply them. Square root of 2 multiplied by 1 by 12. Now that is clear to you. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is nothing but 2. 2 by 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are, right? Now root over 1 by 6 is the answer. This is a quite lengthy question. So if you haven't understood this, you have to rewind and watch. So this question is kind of important one because it's very lengthy and simplification is also a little bit twisty. Now this question is quite different one. Previously we saw multiplication questions and division questions, but here we are going to see a question wherein we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now when he is asking you to do in ascending order, you would be thinking it's very simple one. So you will put this first, then second, then third. But you should not put like this, it's wrong. You can't just judge it, right? First, what you have to do, I'll tell you. Now first you have to find out the LCM. What is the LCM of 4, 12 and 6? It is 12. LCM is 12. Now same thing, you are going to multiply to the order as well as put that multiplied value to the radicand, the power you have to put it, comma, 12 is 12 only, leave it like that as it is, and 6 2's and 10 square. This is okay? Yes. Now 4 3's is 12, 3 cube is 27, 12, 125 is as it is, you have to keep it, and 12 the root 100. Now this is okay. Now you have to judge the ascending order, not by simply looking at this. Okay, now which is the highest one? This one is the highest. 1, this is 2, this one is 3. Right, now I am going to write it in ascending order neatly. So firstly we have, that is descending, right? Ascending is small number to a bigger number. So which is the smallest one here? This is the smallest one, then this one, and then this one. So 1 2 3 in the ascending order. Now firstly we will write 12th root of 27, comma 12th root of 100, comma 12th root of 125. Now if you just write like this and leave it, it's not enough. You have to write this also, which is 12th root of 27. Yeah, it is 4 root 3. You have to write them again. And which is 12th root of 100, it is 6 root 10. Which is 12th root of 125, it is the same, right? So you can write it the same thing, you can write it. Now this is the final answer, right? Now we are done with challenges. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms. Bye.